Let's find some new contestants.
Almost done. My science project! Oh, who did that?
Sorry, it was an accident.
Accident? Ugh.
Huh?
Huh?
There will be 8 challenges. Whoever wins the most wins the prize.
If I win, you're fixing my project.
If I win, you owe me a new ball.
Play ball!
In this challenge, you'll both hit the ball. Whoever hits the ball farther wins. First up is Matt.
Yeah, home run.
Lily, you're up.
Okay. June, do you have my bat? Here you go. Ah, yes, this ball doesn't stand a chance.
A super bat? That's not fair.
It's fine. Play ball. Amazing, Lily. You get the point.
Yes. Time for silly string.
Huh? No.
That hit was out of this world.
Let's play some soccer.
It's called football.
Yeah.
Whatever. Each of you will kick the ball, with the other one playing goalie, and whoever scores gets a point.
Just kick the ball as hard as you can towards him. All right, here I go.
Huh? I stopped it.
You kicked it towards him.
Next up, it's Matt.
This game's about outthinking your opponent. Where are you gonna go, Max? Where are you gonna go? Oh, really?
Go!
Ready? Aim! Bullseye! Shoot your arrow at the target. Whoever hits it gets a point.
June, what's the wind forecast? Looks like wind's going 15 miles per hour northeast. You got this, boss. Thanks. Woo! Bullseye!
All right, Max is up next.
A rooster? Who broke my window? Let's get out of here.
Max missed, so Lily wins. Yay!
I hope I don't have to pay for that.
For this round, we're getting physical. Time for bicep curls. If you do the most, you get the point.
Easy. Give me a dumbbell.
Huh?
Oh, I need to get ready. I'll be right back. June! June! Yeah, boss? I need Project Hulk. Oh, I got it. This should make me strong. Oh!
Time to get swole!
Lily!
I'm here! Oh no, the food is burning! Yes!
Nothing beats all natural muscle.
Time to get artsy. Each of you will paint a picture, and whoever's is best wins. And the subject is a mountain.
Oh, I guess it's time to draw. Oh.
June! Yeah? I need an artist. You got it.
Have no fear, Amelia's here.
I need a mountain.
A mountain? That's easy.
All right, time to see your paintings.
Here's mine.
Check out mine.
Tell us which painting you think's better down below in the comments. The audience has chosen. The winner is Lily! Yes!
Now that's what I call art.
Time to jump rope. Time for a jump off. Whoever jumps the longest wins.
You're going down.
No way.
Let's jump.
How long is this gonna last?
As long as it needs to. 3 hours? This is incredible!
Give up already.
I can do this all day.
Ugh.
Haha, Max fell first.
What? No, you did.
Who fell first? Let's see the replay. Looks like they fell at the same time. Don't be sad, you both get a point.
I guess that's cool.
Time for lunch. Rules are simple. Whoever eats the most wins.
What are we eating?
Pizza.
Ew, it's burnt. I don't want to eat this. June! Yes? You eat this. Okay. I can't.
There's so much food. Oh, I know. I'll just eat one slice and save the rest for later.
All right, let's see who ate the most. One slice,
I hope it's enough.
no slices,
Couldn't you have served steak?
or caviar. And with one slice eaten, Max is the winner.
Can I have that?
Here.
It's pizza time.
For our final challenge, it's Simon Says. Whatever Simon says, you do. Anything else, you don't. 2 strikes and you're out.
Here, Max.
Huh?
Simon says, jump on one leg. Simon says, touch your nose. Don't touch your nose. That's 1 strike for Max. Simon says, pat your head. Simon says, rub your belly. Simon says, subscribe down below if you haven't already.
Have you subscribed yet?
Not yet.
All right, pat your head and rub your belly.
Huh?
Haha, easy.
Strike 1 for Lily.
Huh?
Simon says, hold a piece of paper.
Piece of paper?
Oh.
That's strike 2 for Lily, so Max, you win.
Yes.
That's not fair. Ah! Simon says this challenge stinks.
Max, you won the challenge, which means you get the prize.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Max. Here.
Thanks. Maybe we can fix your project together.
Don't you guys like getting along?
Hey everyone.
Thanks for watching. Bye.